Daiso.
Can I eat all of this?
Of course, that one is yours. But cannot eat inside, man. Daiso, Daiso. Titingin tayo guys ng... Wow, ang ganda dito. How much ah? $4. This one is only $2 outside. Charger.
I think they don't.
Have. Living room accessories. Wait, you must see handicrafts. This one is handicrafts. Accessories.
I want to buy something.
Buy what? Oh my god. Scary. Laundry, sponge, brushes, glass tableswares. You must find the
You cannot see the
shoe
person
accessories.
inside, but you can see from. You see from inside, you can see outside. But you
Huh?
see from outside, you cannot see inside.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check.
Cannot. Hairs, shoe accessory, travel accessory, baking tools, kitchen. Yeah. Exercise. Don't have gift, party supplies,
No, maybe the cat.
disposable. Have? Don't have. Wow. But last time I see here the headset must have charger. Oh, wow, so cute siya, pink. Oh my god. Glass only? How much? How much? No price. This one price now. No
No.
price. No price. Wow, nice. Simply living. Oh my god, I like.
Do you want to
Oh
buy
my god. This
Then-
one scary. He can break. Scary.
Then do you want to buy this today?
Today is no.
This one is,
Cannot later break.
this one is plastic.
Yes, I know this one ba. If you like this. Also here. So minute.
This one is plastic.
Yes, I know, but the other thing.
This one also plastic. This one also plastic.
Mm.
This one also plastic.
Don't shake.
This is like oh.
Yeah, plastic, but if you say shake the other things. So many
No
things.
more apple. Faster, let's go.
Don't have ba.
Does this look heavy?
Yeah. Look like heavy, right?
Okay, let's go. I want to go sit down there.
You sit down there so cold and then nothing to do.